gentlemen, this is second Nepal Pharma and Health International Expo 2023. We are live here from Brikti Mandap, Pradeshani, Kathmandu. Well, right before me there was Anu, who was introducing many stalls, giving more and more information. Right now I'm at the stall. Well, it's actually specialized on the medical sectors or the health sectors. That's the ME Polymer. So let's hear something about the ME Polymer. We have the senior manager for this company, who is also representing Nepal, the entire company in Nepal. So let's talk about. We have Mr. Gandhi. Mr. Gandhi, welcome to Nepal Festival.
Yeah, thank you.
So how are you feeling at the moment? The weather, the place, Nepal.
So weather is very cool here. People are very gentle and kind. So it's my first visit to Nepal.
All right, and we feel the same thing, very gentle from your side as well. Yeah, you had too. So let's talk about your product. So what product line base you have?
Okay, so ME Polymer is a 22 years old company, and we are serving to the healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and the biopharmaceuticals companies. And we provide fluid management products and the silicone tubings for the vaccines manufacturing. So our products helps the pharma and healthcare industries so that they can focus on their productions and so that they can achieve their business goals.
So since our companies has a multiple business deals with different international companies, we also have realized that we are not getting the quality service, the quality product that the country or the community is spending on them. So in terms of quality, how would you assure our Nepalese?
Okay, so we have many regulatory certifications and compliances, and we produce our products in a ISO clean room class 7, 8 and 6. So we have FDA 21 CFR compliance, USP class 6 and all biocompatibility certificates.
All right, so what expectations you have in terms of Nepalese market?
Okay, so we would like to serve Nepal pharmaceutical and health sector so that we can contribute to the industries and we can help them for achieve their business goals.
Thank you so much. We wish you all the best as well. So would you like to share anything lastly to all the viewers who are watching us live on Kathmandu Television?
Yeah, I request them to share our video and like our pages and ME Polymer India in Facebook and Instagram.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very
So
much.
we wish and we hope to see your official company in Nepal very soon. That's available every time, not on Expo as well. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the ME Polymer, and yes, he gave us information about the different